Join in, look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
As long you can provide what they need, what they want, and they will always come back.
Philippine company that is invested in market leading course. Okay. At pag-aaralan natin pala natin by Uniqlo is one of the business branch of Mr. Henry C.
Ang pagsasama ay hindi madali yan. Kailangan nito ng disiplina, good guidance at hard work. Sumako ka na! Madami na akong laban na inarap. Ultimo gyera! If you pray, you will be discouraged. Try again, and challenge is an opportunity.
Henry C., the king of Philippine business.
As long you can provide what they need, what they want, they will always come back.
Henry C., king of Philippine business.
3 to 1, let's go. Imagination stop for real life simulator. Serving the Gen Z. Action of business.
Kawanan happiness, parehas ba yan?
Service young Tito Henry. Ninong TV proudly presents another action of learning the businesses of the King of Philippine Business with your Denver Ninong Castro. As Henry C. Gawana and Mall na Magpapasoya sa inyo Part 3. Discovering SM Supermalls in Roblox and Minecraft. Also the grand opening of Henry C's SM Lawagan Ilocos simulcast on Ninong TV June 30th, 2025.
What's up all of you? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again. Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers. Yay! Today we will do another action of learning the businesses of your Tito Henry, as we will have here the vlog title of Gawana ang Mall na Magpapasaya sa inyo Part 3. Wow! This is the Part 3 of our video vlog that we do. So last time, ginawa natin yung ating Gawana ang Mall ay itinakil natin yung SM13, the SM MOA, and the SM Cebu, diba? And then yung Part 2 is yung MOA Arena with the Enhypen lesson. Now, this is the part 3 that we will discover ay tungkol sa discovering SM Supermalls in Roblox and Minecraft. Wow! And also the grand opening of Henry's SM Lawag in Ilocos. Oy, maganda to. Nakita ko yung SM Lawag sa Facebook Live ng FB page ng SM Supermalls na yung isa sa mga habilin at plano ng Tito Henry yun na mapaglingkuran ang mga Ilocos people. Shout out to all of the Ilocos people from other resources na meron tayo dyan. Ang SM Lawag po ay binuksan na so that yung ating mga Ilocano, Ilocana ay mapil din yung serbisyong Tito Henry na kanilang dinideserve for foods, for toys, shoes, bags, appliances, lahat na. We've got it all for you ng Tito Henry. So today, in our part 3, ng gawa ng wala magpapasaya sa inyo is we will have the tackling of discovering the SM Supermalls sa Roblox and Minecraft. So once again, ipe-present ko sa inyo dito yung aming naging experience ni Baby Princess that we go to Roblox and also some of the Roblox and Minecraft with the other search in the internet kung ano yung madidiscover nating presence in SM Supermalls sa Roblox at sa Minecraft. So you will check it out. SM Roblox. Wow! Meron na silang rides.
I-wait lang mo ako sa Roblox.
Seaside and Mall of Asia. And Super Zone. So, saan mo gustong unang pumunta? Seaside?
Wait lang, hanap pa ako.
Mall of Asia, MOA? Dito tayo sa SM Olongapo, downtown. Sige, hintayin kita ha.
Ay, 36!
Selfie tayo sa gift, ulit ha. Selfie tayo sa gift.
Ay, wait lang, naglalag.
Ayun, selfie, harap mo yung camera
Wait.
mo. So, 1, 2, 3. Hinarangan mo ko eh. Tabi ka ng konti. Harap ka, harap ka.
I can't.
Ay.
Wait up.
O sige, ganito na lang. So, 1, 2, 3. Ayun. Okay.
Hey!
Now, let's go.
Bye-bye.
Sa SM
Iwanin
Store.
na kita.
Dito ka, Bibi.
Hindi.
Wow, pupunta
Alis
tayo
na
sa
ako.
SM Store.
Ay, wait lang!
Oh, yun, lumilipad na paano to ngayon?
Ay,
Oh, labas. Aba,
shopping na ako eh.
pinapalingan natin ng SM eh. Ayan, ayan. Tama.
Shopping na ako eh. Tingnan mo,
So, ito na yung
nag-shopping na ako.
character ni Princess. Nasaan siya?
Ewan ko. Ay, wait lang, wait lang.
Okay, previewing.
Yellow. Ay,
Okay na.
sure ba?
Oh, okay. Nakikita ko na yung character ko. Tumatakbo dyan sa dulo. Tayo.
No, 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 no.
Hawakan mo muna.
Yan.
Nakikita na kita eh.
Ay, nakikita ko. Wait lang.
So, ito na po ang ating SM Seaside. Ayun. So, pasok
Ah,
tayo sa
wait lang,
loob.
wait lang.
So, nasa na yung kapatid ko? Ayan. Oh, may nakapag-shopping na rin pala kami. Selfie ka, selfie.
Ay, wait lang. Stuck ako dito.
Nasa Uniqlo ka? Oh, where are you?
Dito lang.
Wala ka sa Uniqlo.
Dito.
Saan ba? Ayun, si sister. Wow, that's nice. Let's have a picture again. Picture. Ayun.
Okay.
Oh, ito pa. Ano mo yan dito? Planes and prints. Ayan. Okay, just discover the Roblox and Minecraft edition ng SM ng Tito Henry nyo. So, talagang ang Tito Henry is open na sa mga millennial, sa mga Gen Z, no? Ang ating SM ay pinipromote na rin sa pamamagitan ng mga kasangkapang ito, the Roblox and the Minecraft. So that the service and the legacy and the special happiness na ating napipil sa SM ay maramdaman na rin sa game show. By the way, I'm also live here in SM Supermall's live taping sa Starbucks and giving you a hot simulator na rin kasi habang tayo nagle-lesson, nagsisimulator na rin tayo na di-discover natin yung mga SM Supermalls ng inyong T20 through the Roblox and through the Minecraft. At nakita nyo na rin yung happy game namin ni Baby Princess a while ago. So, for the next episode, eto naman po, madidiscover natin ang bagong tayo na SM Lawag. Wow! SM Lawag in Ilocos that you will discover para sa ating mga kababayang Ilocano-Ilocana na nag-deserve din na makadiscover ng great mall ng T20 nyo. So, we will check it out, the SM Lawag. Check it out.
Yes, wow, wow, perfect. Love, 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 love.
Come on in, look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
I-share yung mga tsuhin mo. You have a first tsuhin na ipapakilala sa amin dito?
My first Tito is Tito Germain.
Oh, that's something interesting. Sino siya? Bigyan natin ng konting space yung tsuhin at saka si Krista.
His Tito Germain.
His name is Tito Germain. Oh, okay. Where's your Tito Germain, Krista? Wow! Okay, yun na. So, your Tito is a businessman din pala, ha? Tito Germain, hello. Welcome to Ninong TV. Welcome to the segment of our program. And this is the
Hello,
Philippine Business. How are
Mayuhe,
you?
Philippines.
Business.
I'm Jermaine, business uncle man. My business is internet and automobiles.
Oh, internet business and car business. Oh, di ba ka rin palang nagmumove it? May sasakyan. Anong kotse yon? Pangpasada rin ba? Kasi ang topic natin, may isang super sa SF.
Personal cars for the family and business.
Pang-family car. Okay, you have your business car and internet businesses. Ba? Okay yan, Tito Jerm. Kanyang businesses ay load, mga internet. Ay, mga SIM card, gano'n. That's nice, Tito Jermaine, tsaka kotse. Sige.
You will discover my second uncle Dot is also a businessman.
So you have another tsuhin or Tito. His name is
Tito Mandy.
Tito Mandy. Kanta yun na. Kanta ni Barry Manilow. Okay. So, and I need you today, oh Mandy. When you feel... Basta. Saan na ba tsuhin mo? Napakanta na tuloy ako. Ayun! Tito Mandy. Hello! Okay, so ito yung pangalawang tsuhin ni Christian. Ang dami mo namang tsuhin. Ang big time talaga tong angkan ni Christian. No? Puro businessman. So, kung ito si Tito Jermaine, ang business niya mga kotse tsaka mga internet. Ikaw po, Tito Mandy, ano po ang businesses nyo? And by the way, welcome to my Ninong TV of NSC, the King of Philippine Business Program.
Good day to all of you. My business is real estate house and lot.
Real estate, mga pabahay. Maganda yan. Kailangan natin ng bahay. So, maganda rin naman pala itong mga businesses mo ng tsuhin mo, Christian. I refer, pag graduate mo, kumuha ka na rin ng business administration or e-commerce. Gayahin mo itong mga tsuhin mo. Diba, sa NU ka pa nag-aaral.
Wait lang po, my third uncle is now coming
Meron ka
your
pang
way.
isang tito? Aba, my goodness, ako kinakabahan ako dito sa mga tsuhin ni Christian. Pero mo, meron ka na ang tsuhin na may real estate, may ari ng mga kotse load. Meron pang isa. Aba, grabe. Kita mo nga naman tong angka ni Christian. Minsan napitan ko nga to. Okay. So, meron ka pang isang tsuhin. Sino naman siya? Akala ko dalawa lang to. At tatlo ba? Naku, puro tycoons pala yung mga tsuhin nito. Ako isa lang tsuhin ko. Si Tito Henry. Okay. Eto tatlo. Grabe talaga to si Christian. Sino ba tong pangatlo na to?
His name is Tito Haynes, the richest uncle among the two.
Tito Haynes, ha? Haynes. Ipatatak ng brief yun. Akala nyo ng Haynes. May Mandy, may Jermaine. Ito, Haynes. Saan na ba ang Tito Haynes mo? Asan siya? At anong mga businesses niya, if ever? Okay. Mukhang ito ata yung pinaka-big time na lang. Sa lahat ng Joey ni Christian, no?
He is the richest Tito that I ever have. Wait, Lang PUH is on the way now.
Oh, tama nga. Itong pinaka-big time niya lang na chewing. Oh, kung ako sa'yo, hay-hay ng buhay ko niyan. Puro bigating yung pamilya mo eh. Oh, sino ba? Nasa na ba ang ating huling guest? Si Tito Haynes. Nasa na ang pangatlong chewing ni Christian? Wow! Grabe! Tito Haynes, Itinong Philippines. Grabe ang lupit ng introduction mo naka-leather jacket pa, nakamotor pa. Yung dalawa, panis. Joke lang. Okay. So, welcome to Linong TV, Tito Haynes. O, ayan. Ang ikatlong chewin ni Christian. O, eto si Tito Jermaine may business na internet, tapos kotse. Si Tito Mandy, all about real estate. Kayo po, Tito Haynes, may business ba kayo? Ano bang property na meron kayo dyan?
We've got it all for you. I have 100 plus businesses to serve the people and its economy.
Kakabugin mo pa si Tito Henry ko, ha? Kaya ka rin kay Henry siya. Okay. Ano bang business mo, Tito Haynes? Mira. Sige, stake
My
po.
businesses are .malls, .real-estate, .banks, .hotels, .resorts, .foods, .terminal, .cinema, .airplanes, .ships, .corporate office.
6.5 hours later.
Teka po.
.electricity business,
Mawalang lang po, Tito
.mining
Haynes,
company.
medyo kulang na po tayo sa oras. Baka pa umabot tayo ng overtime neto at magkaroon pa tayo ng part 2 kung papagitin nyo lahat ng businesses nyo. Anyway, Tito Haynes, maraming salamat. And of course, sa mga chewin ni Christian, tingnan nyo nga naman, no? Puro mga bigatin si Tito Jermaine, na may business sa internet and kotse, and si Tito Mandy for the house and lot businesses, real estate. At ang inyong Tito Haynes na may planong kabugin ng Tito Henry nyo, wag mo nang gawin. Okay. Tito Henry, Michael, kasi hindi pa ako natatapos sa mga 100 plus businesses niya, may dumagdag pa. Dadagdag yung Tito Haynes ni Christian. But anyway, just kidding lang, mga bigating chewin to. Tingnan nyo naman mga dating, parang pang Hollywood, ha? Okay. So, nakilala na po natin ang tatlong chewin ni Christian, our AI body from NTV Corporations. Invite mo in mga chewin mo, baka gusto
Okay,
nila
we will
mag-work
try.
sa
Thanks
akin,
for
ha?
today's video.
At kung may plano silang ihayag yung mga businesses nila, ikaw nang gumawa, Christian. Ninong nyo, marami pang gagawin. Patapos pa nga lang po sa business ng Tito Henry nyo, meron pang 30 plus na natitira. My goodness, from what I said. Presyo para sa kanya at presyo para sa dito. Freebies, the buy one take one, and the CSR for the customers and for the
Yes, and also Miniso is a Korean store.
alam mo, Bibi, ha?
Of course, I've been watching Miniso videos in Korea or Japan. Japan has a Miniso.
It looks that's you.
Hey!
Let's go na daw. Tawag na daw tayo.
Get that camera off
Thank
me!
you.
gadget lovers! Ready to level up your tech game? This is the perfect place for you. Get your fandom mode on and experience tech like never before. From smartwatches, earpods, at iba't ibang tech accessories at lahat ng bagong tech na hanap mo. Because SM Super Malls is bringing the ultimate tech and fandom experience in one massive event. Discover new gadgets, test them yourself, and get hands-on with the coolest tech experiences in town. Bring your barkada, explore every booth, whether you are into gadgets or just good vibes. Upgraded phones na pang selfie at everyday use or gaming phones na pang high-end na performance, all in one in an awesome destination. Fandom at fun, lahat yan nasa SM City San Jose del Monte. Don't miss it. SM Tech Fair 2025 is your next tech destination.
It's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, here at SM, we've got it all for you.
Okay, na-discover na po natin ang ating Roblox and Minecraft through the SM Super Malls ng Tito and Rio at ang SM Lawag Grand Opening. So, now it's time naman na magkaroon tayo ng CSR. So, anong CSR or good creation na pwede natin ma-promote dito sa lalong-lalo na SM Lawag? Pagkabalita ko dito, bagong tayo pa lang SM ng Tito and Rio, action for business na talaga. Yung mga mamahaling produkto, minumura na or ginagawang great value or buy one take one, 50% off, dating 2K, 1.5 na lang. So it's also been part of CSR and serbisyong Tito Henry na pwede nating maramdaman kasi yung hindi kayang mabili ng isang regular customer, makakaya na because of that program na pinapatupad ng inyong family and ongoing sa mga other C family para mapaglingkuran ng taong bayan. Right. So we will discover here is the CSR of SM Lawag, the CSR that we can also discover in Roblox and Minecraft through SM Connection, the game, to serve the people, the economy, to help the poor, and of course, as we feel blessed from the Lord and Jesus, let's also help and to bless others. So you will check it out. We are supporting our Philippines
Wow!
or wikang Filipino. O, diba? Kahit ang Tito Henry nyo ay Chinese, pero love niya ang bansa natin.
Chinese!
Yes, pero love niya ang Philippines. Yeah, diba? So this is the... It's Jeep. Oh, Wanang Wika, SM City. Tayo.
Wait lang!
Yeah, selfie tayo dito. Ayun. So we are supporting the Philippine culture. Ayun no, may mga tangke, kumaga para tayong CSR. Ito CSR din natin to, ilalagay ko to sa CSR. So ito yung wishing well na kada hulog mo dito ng money, it can help
You mean coin?
Yeah, the coin. It will help outreach program for a church. So, kunwari maghulog tayo dito, naghulog ako ng 5 pesos, 10 pesos. To help the outreach program na partner ng Tito Henry nyo for a CSR. Okay, pero wag tayo tatalon ha, baka tayo yung may alay. Okay, thank you for watching and God bless.
I never imagined attaining big success. Whatever I have achieved did not happen overnight ever since my teen years. I have devoted many years of my life to non-stop studying, diligent work, and dreaming of a better future. From your Henry C, giving you my action to play for your success, and never give up. God is good all the time.
Okay, thank you for watching and God bless all of us. At dito pa nagtatapos ang ating video vlog na gawa na ang mall na magpapasaya sa inyo part 3. Discovering SM Supermalls in Roblox and Minecraft. Also, the grand opening of Henry C's SM Lawag in Ilocos. So, maraming salamat po. Subscribe Ninong TV in Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and TikTok and other social media platforms. Just search Ninong TV and TV Corporation or my name, Denver Castro. It will appear. Chat kayo, subscribe kayo, mag-PM kayo kung ano yung gusto nyong i-avail na video vlog so that we can give you for that and let's spread education and entertainment for only 150 pesos and 80 pesos for screen record. So maraming salamat po. I hope you've learned something and you've liked this video vlog. So thank you and mabuhay to all of you. Once again, this is your Nino and we're live here at SM Supermalls of your Tito Henry. Bye. Thank you.
Come on in, look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
As long you can provide what they need, what they want, and they will always come back.
Philippine company that is invested in market-leading sport. Okay. At pag-aaralan natin pala natin by Uniqlo is one of the business branch of Mr. Henry C.
Ang pagsasama ay hindi madalian. Kailangan nito ng disiplina. Good guidance at hard work. Sumawa ka na! Madami na akong laban na inarap. Ultimo gera! Inclipay! Try again! And challenge is an opportunity. Hindi ka maharap!
Henry C., the king of Philippine business.
As long as you can provide what they need, what they want, they will always come back.
Henry C. King of Philippine Business.